Since when, I started to feel an affinity for color photos and videos. However, I didn't want to go back to the entirely analog film era. Even adjusting the saturation and color images to create monochrome images didn't capture my interest enough. During this period, I recalled infrared films that I used in the black and white era. In 2009, I asked a camera technician friend to modify a Canon 5D into an infrared camera. When I first opened the photos on a computer using Photoshop after shooting in infrared, I thought, this is exactly the kind of photo I wanted. After that, I converted Canon 5D Mark II, 5D Mark IV, and DJI Mavic 2 Pro drone to infrared, and have been using it. Currently, I mainly use DJI Mavic 2 Pro and Canon 5D Mark IV. Infrared photography has many constraints. Firstly, the built-in light meter in the camera is useless. An exposure must be manually set by looking at the monitor. Secondly, during backlit shooting, ghosts appear a lot, so the shooting angle needs to be carefully set. Thirdly, when shooting with a drone, there is only a color mode, and there is no black and white mode. making it challenging to control the drone since the colors on the monitor appear closer to red magenta. Despite these difficulties, I find infrared photography fascinating. It goes beyond the visible spectrum of 400 to 700 nanometers, showing the mysterious feeling up to 850 nanometers. Although I don't possess any special technical skills or outstanding artistic abilities, I want to share the moments I see, feel, and capture. I searched, and it seems there isn't a dedicated YouTube channel for infrared drone footage, so I decided to create one. How was it? I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.